So you're looking at a tracked account of my RMI EA Pro available on my website right now. 19.37% profit, and this account's been running since February 4th of this year. And you can see just today on Friday, we've had 0.73% profit. And this month so far, it's only halfway through, 10.91%, 550 total trades with a 77% win rate.
So today I'm going to talk about products and services offered on my website, bestfreeforexea.com. I offer two algorithms, so two expert advisors that anybody can use, and one of them is paid and one of them is free. These algorithms are based on methodologies that were invented by me, and I didn't write the code personally, but I did hire a professional to do the code to incorporate the strategies into an algorithm. So the first algorithm is the RMI EA version 7, and that is free for anybody to download on my website. I don't even ask for an email address. You can just download it straight off. And that algorithm has a really long track record with a potential profit with the recommended settings for of 3 to 5% per month. And I'm going to show you some of the stats with that and talk about the win rate and all that kind of stuff in just a second. So the other algorithm is the RMI Pro version. So this is the Pro version of the RMI EA. And this version is a scalper. So it scalps the market. It trades 20 to 40 times a day. It profits every day, every week, every month on a very consistent basis. And it trades 8 pairs. And it's basically like the RMI, the free version of the RMI EA on steroids. And so it really takes the profit to a new level. So this algorithm is, you can get it through a copy service that I offer for $25 a month that you can use at any broker. Or if you want to use the Expert Advisor for free, you can join my broker at lqdfx.com, and you just join the link through the website, and the broker will pay me for you using my Expert Advisor. So that's how I am able to give you the Expert Advisor for free. So this channel has always been about transparency. So I want you guys to know what's going on behind the scenes. So there's no question about my intentions. Okay. So let's get into the charts and show you a little bit about what to expect with the two expert advisors that I offer on my website. Let's talk a little bit about the win rate, what risks are involved, and brokers as well, so you can have a better idea of what to expect using the products and services that I offer.
All right, so here we are on my website, bestfreeforexea.com. And if you scroll down, you can see the two expert advisors or EAs that are offered on my website. So the first one is the RMI EA version 7. And this one is the free expert advisor on my website that anybody can download. And this one is for traders that want longevity, that are looking for a slower moving strategy that trades every week, but not every single day. So this strategy has been in development for the last 6 years. It does have a 13-year profitable history. And you can see the stats right here. I've been running this account since October 24th of 2019. Now, if this expert advisor has been running, been in development for 6 years and has a 13-year track record, why don't I have longer results or a larger or longer track record? And the reason why is because in the past I was a strong believer of multiple strategies running on one account, that whether that was multiple expert advisors um, or manual trading strategies. And so my account was always a complete mess, trying to figure out what strategies were profitable and which were not. And so I finally gave this expert advisor its own account starting in October of 2019, and you can see it's been really good results ever since. So you may be wondering why it was really profitable here and then it kind of started to slow down. I started running this account like it was a 500 to 1 leverage account, and it's only 50 to 1. So I did that for just over a month, and then slowed it down to where it should be for its leverage size. So this is an Oanda account with 50 to 1 leverage, and you can expect 0.33% to 0.5% profit each month using this strategy. It specializes in trading on the pound Canadian dollar and the Aussie CAD. Um, and if you have a higher leverage account, so 500 to 1, then you can run the strategy at 10 times the risk that it's being run at Oanda with the 50 to 1 leverage, and you can expect 3 to upwards of 5% each and every month using the strategy. You can see that the track record has been really good on this account, and this one started on January 7th of 2020. Okay, so January profits were 2.9%, February 3.3, and March so far, it's only halfway done, was is 2.93. So this could be a really big month for the free RMI EA version 7. All right, so let's go to the RMI EA Pro. So this expert advisor is the one that you can also get for free if you join my broker. But let's talk about the RMI Pro copy service first. So this is $25 a month, and it's for those individuals that don't want to use my broker, that want to use this expert advisor, the RMI EA Pro, at any broker that has MT4 or MT5. And to do that, you basically purchase it through PayPal, so $25, and I send you a piece of software that allows me the my account to copy trades to your account. So this is what the software looks like. So it's the Forex copier remote receiver. And so once you have this installed, this is what it'll look like, and it says your activation account and make sure that everything is working correctly. And this account has been taking copied trades from my virtual server. So I'm basically copying trades from myself to myself. And this account has been going really well with the copy service. It started on March of this year, so 3/6, so March 6th. And you can see that it's a $7,000 profit. So the stats that the that are being tracked are shown on my FX book. You can see them right here. So 7.9% profit with 13% drawdown. And so this is an account that's running exclusively the copy trades that are offered on my website. And you can change the risk of those copy trades by going into the options. And I can show you how to do that once you get involved with the copy service. So it's all up to you on how you want to utilize that service, but you can see that it works very well um, since I'm testing this service myself. Okay, so for those of you that are wanting to use the RMI EA Pro for free, you can join my broker at Liquid FX. And I may offer more brokers down the road, hopefully sometime next week or 2 weeks from now, to give you more options. This is a good broker, Liquid FX. I haven't had any issues with them. They are still one of the better rated brokers on Forex P summary, even though they only have, I think it was like a 3.3 star rating. It's still higher than the majority of brokers out there. They just don't, Forex brokers just don't have high ratings. So if you create an account, make sure it's an easy in account and deposit a minimum of 500, although I recommend a deposit of 1,000. And keep in mind that I don't get any different commission from the broker, whether it's a $500 account or a $1,000 account. I'm not trying to get you to deposit more. I'm just trying to make sure that the strategy, the expert advisor, the RMI EA Pro, is able to work correctly. And I do recommend using the RMI Pro on a $1,000 account for even more safety than just using it with 500. Okay, so once you have a live account number and you make that deposit, send me an email through my contact here on the website and say, okay, I've created an account. Here is my account number. I've made a deposit, and I'll make sure and hard code the expert advisor to that account number at LiquidFX, and so you can use start using the RMIE Pro at that broker on that account. Okay, unfortunately, it won't work on any other account. It's just the account at Liquid FX. So, but you were able to get it for free, and it's pretty cool because the brokers will pay me instead of you having to pay a fee to use the RMI EA Pro. Okay, so you have two options, either using it through my broker or using the copy service through my website. All right, so you can check out all the details about the expert advisors. You can even go to the performance page and you can see all the tracked performances. And there's a couple that I didn't show you about for the RMI Pro yet. And this is the 19.37%. This is the main account for the RMI EA Pro. And it's been running since February 4th of 2020. And you can see that there was a little bit of a drawdown here, and that's what hit the 28%, but it's still very manageable. and very high profit as well, with a 7.63% profit in February and a March profit so far of almost 11%, and we still have a ways to go. So I'm looking at probably a 15 to maybe even upwards of 20% uh, profit on using this expert advisor. I may adjust some settings, and I'm always looking at trying to decrease the drawdown potential of strategies like this, even if that means decreasing the profit. Okay, so I'm also doing a live account with this expert advisor, the RMI EA Pro, and this is being done also at Liquid FX, 200 to 1 leverage. It's a real account. It's really quite small. It's only $421. So I don't recommend using it with an account lower than 500. I'm doing it here to kind of show you how capable this expert advisor is. 25% profit, and it's only been running since March 3rd of this month, so only about 10 days, and you can see that it already has 25%. So just 12%, 12.5% just this week, which is pretty amazing. You can see all the trades here with an 81% win rate. So that's 260 trades were wins out of 320. The same kind of similar stats on this one as well, with a 77% win rate here on the RMI Pro. And then the copied version, or the copy trade service, also has a 75% win rate. So very consistent trades, um, and very profitable as well. So guys, you're probably wondering what kind of risk is involved in using any of my two expert advisors on my website. As you may know, or some of you that have been following me for a while, I typically don't like to use stop losses because I don't like running strategies with basically with walls in front of me. I like to manipulate um, the risk management in a way that it can withstand a lot of price against me, to so I can basically turn a bad trade into a good trade by not risking a whole lot per each individual trade. Okay, so an example of that is if you go to my copied account. Okay, we just got a trade right now on the odd US dollar. You can see this specific area right here. So you can see the trades. They don't actually are not showing very well, but you can see the initial entry was right here, and those were all buy trades. Buy trades, and it went a total of about 106 pips against me before popping back up. Now, this was a very unusual situation here, and this has been unusual because of the coronavirus outbreak that's been happening and the massive fears. And so price has been very strange on a lot of pairs, some interesting behavior. But the thing is with these strategies, with the RMI EA version 7 and the RMI EA Pro, I develop them and develop the risk management behind them to incorporate strange market behavior like this, because these are the kinds of market behavior and movements that really kill strategies or kill people, not kill people literally, but they lose a lot of money because of these uh, times that are unpredictable. And so I tried to incorporate money management that can handle these kinds of strange behaviors that happen during very odd times that we live in, like right now. Okay, so this 106 pip move, did eventually have a pullback, and that's what I'm looking for. Is during a move like this, straight down like this, there are usually small pullbacks that happen within that move down. So like you can see like this. It's never usually, unless there's a big news candle. If there's a big news candle, you'll see a big candle like that. That's just huge, right? It's like 100 pips. But typically with a price move like this, there are some minor pullbacks that happen. And the reason for that is because there's people taking profit all the way down, right? And there are traders closing out trades for profit. And so there's small moves of 10 to 15 to 20 pips within that move on the way down. And that's where I try to capitalize in. So this strategy counter trends the market during a trend, or just during any kind of price movement, after a push in one direction, and looking for those small pullbacks. And you can see here on this specific example that there wasn't really much of a pullback. I think there was only like a 5 pip or 10 pip move, and typically I need a little bit more than that, depending on how many trades that we have in the market. So in this particular case, I needed about 35 pips or so, during in this 106 pip move in order to close out trades at a small profit. So this is an example, but in most cases, the strategy has really small take profits that are all scattered about. And I'm going to try to see if I can show you any of those right now. Doesn't look like it's going to allow me to show you many of them, but let me see if I can show you. Put a couple of these on the chart. Okay, so you can see one right here. That's a sell position, another pound position. Okay, so there's another quick take profit as well. And I'll just do one more. So you can see that we're taking small profits within these trades. So this was a buy down here, right? So buy trade right on right before it moved back up. This one was a sell trade right when it moved down, as you can see here. This one was a sell trade as well for a small profit, and also right before the move back down. So that's what the expert advisor looks for. It looks for a small piece of a large pie, and typically you'll see that most trades go in and out very quickly at a 75% win rate. So you can see that, or 77% win rate. So most trades close out really quickly with just a few pips profit. Okay, and you can see that here and just by looking through the track record. Look at all these closed profitable trades. All right, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video today, guys and gals. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Hopefully you can subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video update sometime next week. Thanks for watching.